we are going now to see our first mattress dealer. Our sleeping situation last night was a nice cuddle puddle here. So now we're gonna go hook up the U-Haul and go roam the town, see what we can gather.
Excuse me, sir. Sir, what do you do for a living, sir?
Let's just say I do international trade.
International trade, and you?
OnlyFans has been doing really well right
And his OnlyFans.
Our
OnlyFans
OnlyFans.
international trade. All right, well, you heard it here first, folks.
Oh, see, there's 75 cents for a veggie dog.
Oh, veggie dogs? All right, so we're just chilling on the cart, going to IKEA.
My bad.
So here we are, we're picking out beds, right? And I think that Aiden just found his bed.
Yeah,
$65 for the whole shebang, feet hanging off the end.
Yeah, got some foam here. Gucci.
He's
I think I can
golden.
sleep with it on it.
Yeah, oh, go for it, try it.
Yeah, should I try it?
Yeah, try it. We just got done IKEA. We got mattresses. What else we get? Chairs, desks. They have special ones. They got some vegetarian ones. A bunch of cool stuff on top.
I think one's enough, Aiden. You need one for each nipple? This kid graduated from high school, guys. So far, it's been a successful day. We have got a couch, 3 mattresses, 3 desks, 2 chairs, and a TV. And I think that's it. Right, and the day is finally done. Well, now we have to set the whole house up, but we're finally in our nice, cozy house. There's my desk. There is my child. We got the plunger. Yeah, I think it's been a good day.
And so I got a desk, but I don't have legs for my desk. So there's that.
Another day at IKEA means another lunch with the Glizzies. But today we're doing a nice tailgate in the IKEA parking lot.
It's like I think it's a shopping vlog. We're just
Yeah.
going to IKEA the entire
So I was just getting the trash in my car, and I had the keys in my hand too, and I threw them in the dumpster with everything else. So they're right here. You see them? Yeah. Right now, I just gotta get my keys. The goons. Go 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 go! Insertion, insertion, tactical insertion. Time to go to Snowbird. Got our employee stuff done. We got our parking pass for the car, so we can park wherever we want. And now it's 3 p.m. Mountain closes at 4. We gotta get a few runs in.
I got a mouthful of wiener, so I can't talk well. Well, this is the, I don't know, nth installment of Glizzy review. This is a quarter-pound dog. This is a hefty wiener, I gotta say.
Yeah, I gotta say, I think Costco beats everything.
Yeah. All right. Well, I haven't tested it yet. It's a good dog, but well, I don't know. My kid's got a hold on me.
Julian just likes Swedish girls, that's all.
So it is the next day, but we realized that after driving across the country, the car is absolutely filthy, so we're gonna give it a wash.
Alright, let me know when you're ready. I'm gonna turn on the high pressure.
High pressure.
High pressure.
Car is clean. We are chilling, as you know. a clean car is a dream car.
Buddy thought about that one for 10 minutes.
I guess if we're talking strictly natural glizzies, I think Costco wins. But when we're talking creativity, the Swedes kind of got me at IKEA.
Yeah, same. All right, today we're gonna try the Target glizzy. So
Hard. You're putting the hard weed in your mouth again? So, wait, what was that? You were just slowly stabbing a cereal box with a knife?
no, that's really weird. Only a sociopath.
Only a sociopath.
Only a sociopath to say that.
Oh! Oh!
Only a sociopath to film other sociopaths. You're the real sociopath. Our buddy from New York just pulled up. Sup, buddy? Yeah. It's good. You too. Thanks for having me. Yeah, appreciate it. It's above us.
It's above us? There's a fire above us?
It's Christmas. Look.
It's Christmas. Yay, Christmas. What are we doing today?
Skiing.
Oh! Nice!
All right, well, today was a good day at work. So right now we're gonna go check out some waterfall. We're sending Julian first just in case the mountain lion comes out.
But he's got his non-slip McDonald's discount shoes. He's gonna climb this waterfall. And he won't slip because it's non-slip. Oh, it's the non-slips that failed.
Yeah, Skechers is a hoax.
He goes, the beard's coming off. Better than that. Look at us, where are we going?
We're gonna go shoot some guns.
Oh, where'd he go?
You could actually stay in here and no one would notice if you just stayed there for the whole day. Hello. Dude, imagine someone comes to check the comforters and just like, Wait, can we leave you here for the night? Okay, sick.
Another day, another tailgate in the IKEA parking lot.
Yeah, brother. Oh, the boys hit up Top Golf.
We're playing some Angry Birds golf.
I had no idea. I honestly thought we were just gonna be hitting balls. Now we got a game. Oh, we got.
What? Those things are gonna live.
Oh yeah. Yeah. Boom. Back to
Off
the
she
hole.
goes.
Hey, that was an absolute.
Let's watch the replay.
You missed.
Oh, you missed! You missed every. Hey, we can replay that story.
Oh my god. We just went to Top Golf and then we snuck a bunch of
Soda.
So we started eating our own chips and drinking our own.
Soda.
And then at the end of the night, everything was going perfectly smooth. And we were about to leave, and then someone dropped it on the ground and started spraying everywhere. So
Nick.
me, it was you, this guy, and it started spraying everywhere, and all the employees were like coming up to us and like asking us like what's going on, blah blah blah. And we're just like, okay, like we gotta go. Like the lady that was taking care of us just told us to get the out as fast as possible.
Megan.
Megan.
What a
Yeah, she was
wonderful
pretty.
lady.
Yeah, what a great lady.
And she saved us. Now we're
So Megan, if you're watching this, thank you so much.
Thanks, Megan. Thanks, Megan. If you ever see this, you know who you are. The king himself. Oh! I bow to you, my king. Bow to the king.
Oh my god!
Oh my god.
Oh my god! I have ended.